And the last topic is the Industrial Revolution. So, the Industrial Revolution is a term which is used for important changes and progress in the field of agriculture, manufacturing, mining, transport, and technology that had occurred in Europe between the 18th century. So, these changes affected the social, economic, and cultural lives in different countries of Europe. So, the revolution started in England and it spread throughout the Europe, North America, and the rest of the world. So, in England and elsewhere, almost every aspect of daily life was influenced in some way or the other by the progress brought by the Industrial Revolution. So, by the 1750, there were many inventions in England as a result of scientific spirit which is inspired by the Renaissance. Some of the inventions are like spinning jenny, which was invented by James Hargreaves, like the water flame, which was invented by the Arkwright, and the power loom, which was invented by the Cartwrights, and the mule by Crompton. So all these machines were invented during the 1750s in England. Also, there was tremendous change and increase in the production of textile industry. But what happened as a result of this industrial revolution? England industrial production increased very much as compared to the past. So the England stopped importing goods and productions from outside or outer countries. Instead, what they used to do, they used to expand the market to sell industrial good beyond its own boundary. It means they are trying to sell their products to the other countries also. As goods were produced in bulk, they were cheaper than handmade goods. So as these goods were produced in a very large amount, so these things were also very cheap, and these things are handmade. But this industrial revolution had very far reaching effects on the modern India. So with the beginning of this industrial revolution in England, the Indian handicraft also got inspired, and the Indian handicrafts and industries, what happened, they also totally got ruined because of this industrial revolution. The people were forced to buy the machine made British goods, which was manufactured with the raw material exported from India. So consequently, what happened? India became an exclusive agriculture colony of Britain. It means in India only the Indians were only bound, or they are only bounded towards the agricultural practices.